Okay, so parts laid out here for issue 14 of the Valentino Rossi Moto GP bike. It's the cylinder head and a valve cover. Very nicely made. Is metal parts, so the cylinder head will be a metal part, which is good. Pack of screws. Not too sure we're doing anything with it, so I think we're finishing off the exhaust system from the last issue, so going to have to store these away. But as you can see, very, very nicely detailed cylinder head. So yeah, let's get into the build for issue 14. Okay, we are building up the exhaust, finishing off the exhaust system. So bringing over the exhaust pipes, the spring clips, and the rear, exhaust. The exhaust. Okay, so we need to type B screws again. Okay, so the exhaust end is going to go on the right hand exhaust system. So right hand one, as I remember, has always got that middle attachment point. So that's just going to the end, or the rear exhaust part is going to kind of go on. Now I need to make sure I get this the right way around, obviously. So holding it like it is in the picture. Hold it like that, and then the actual exhaust goes on that way. I don't think it can fit the other way. No, it can't. Got tapered, so put that onto there. That's going to be secured. Oh no, not yet. Okay, I'm going to get the type B screw ready. Right hand one, yeah, and then the left hand one is going to go over the top, hold everything in. Guess I need a lot of hands for this one. Okay, I think not 10 exhaust and okay, now secure the place and setting the type in a half. Okay. And then there's another type B screw that's going to go in there as well. Okay. Yeah. Type B screw there, type B screw through there. Okay, and then we've got some spring clips. We'll be attaching. And you've got one that's got a hole in the yeah, and that obviously, just let the bar that's gone. This can only go on one. It's going to go on there. And on the other side. Yeah, I am going to put a little bit of glue on that one. It keeps on falling out. Okay, I believe that's the exhaust system constructed, made. Now, that's pretty heavy, to be fair. That's all metal. I don't know why I say the end bit's plastic, but majority of it is metal. Looks quite impressive. Yeah. And that's it, yeah. Okay, so that was issue 14 done there, yeah. So finishing off the exhaust system. Looks quite impressive, to be fair. Issue 15 is, are we doing this engine? Oh no, instrument panel and LCD display. Oh no, yeah, it is a little bit light, as I say. So we are going to be doing the LCD display. I think we're also going to be doing the cylinder head we had in this issue 14. But that'll be issue 15, and that'll be coming up soon.